Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up TikTok shop. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's hop into the video. So to get started, first you need to open TikTok app on your mobile device. After that, tap on profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three bars from the top right and select settings and privacy. From here, you need to select account and then tap on switch to business account. Now tap on next. Now choose a category from here. And after that, tap on next. Here you can add an email to your shop or you can skip it for later. Again, tap on maybe later. And as you can see, my profile is all set. Now go back to your profile. And again tap on the three bars. Now select Create Tools. From here, you will get to see an option TikTok Shop for Creator. To create a TikTok shop, you need at least 1,000 followers in your account. As I don't have that, the option is not showing in my account. But if you have more than 1,000 followers, you can create your own TikTok shop.